Hi, welcome to CryptoMan YouTube channel. Today we talk about Bitcoin price tumbled below $38,000, Ethereum's Ether declined sharply below $2,755, and ADA is trading near a major support on the daily chart. So let's start today's update. Recently, Bitcoin price saw a sharp bearish reaction below the $39,200 level. The price tumbled below the $38,000 level and the 21 simple moving average, H1. There was a close below the $37,550 support level, and BTC even moved below $36,660. It is now consolidating near the $35,800 level. On the upside, the bulls are facing resistance near the $39,200 level and the 21 simple moving average, H1. The first major resistance is near the $36,660 level. A clear move above the $36,660 level could send the price to the main hurdle at $37,550. On the downside, the price might find bids near $35,200. The next major support sits near the $34,500 level, below which there is a risk of a drop to $33,800. Okay, so let's move to Ethereum Daily Updater chart now. ETH also followed a similar pattern after there was a move below $2,850. The price spiked below the $3,755 level and settled below the 21 simple moving average, H1. It is now consolidating losses near the $2,680 level. On the upside, it is facing resistance near the $2,700 level. The next key barrier is $2,740, a connecting bearish trend line on the hourly chart, and the 21 simple moving average, H1. A close above $2,740 might call for a move towards $2,850. If not, Ether price might slide below the $2,650 support level. The next key support is near $2,600. Below which the bears might aim a test of $2,540. Let's move to Cardano Daily Updater chart now. Cardano, ADA, started a major decline after it failed to clear the $1.244 and $1.245 resistance levels. There was a steady decline below the $1.10 support level. The price even settled below the $1 level and the 21-day simple moving average. It even dived below $0.855 and tested the main support at $0.750 on the daily chart. Recently, there was a sharp bullish wave from $0.755, but the bears appeared near $0.900. It is now consolidating near the $0.780 level. If the bears remain in action, the price might slide below the 78 cents and 75 cents support levels. On the upside, the previous support at 90 cents could act as a resistance. A clear move above 90 cents might start a steady increase. So this is all about update. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.